The inaugural Filipino Music Awards lit up the SM Mall of Asia Arena tonight with a star-studded celebration of original Filipino music or OPM. And SB19 did not disappoint. Their fiery track Dungka from the EP Simula at Wakas took home the coveted pop song of the year. A moment that sent A10 into a frenzy. Released on April 25, 2025, Dungka is a bold, high-energy diss track written and co-produced by Pablo with his brother Joshua Daniel Nase.
Pop Song of the Year, Dungka by SB19! Okay, magsasalita na si Josh. Let's go!
Pilasa pa rin sa akin. Well, syempre po, para sa Dungka and syempre para sa lahat po ng bumuo nitong musika na to, especially Pablo, ang nagsulat po. Syempre po, gusto ko namin magpasalamat po sa lahat ng support, especially with our culture. Syempre, hindi namin magagawa ito kung wala sa mga roots natin from the beginning. At ayun po, hindi na namin pahabain. Salamat po sa lahat sa inyo from 1Z, Sony, at sa lahat po ng bumuo. And of course, 18. Thank you.
Here to present Alternative Song of the Year, the powerhouse frontman of multi-awarded band Wolfgang, Bastian Dadi, and lead vocalist of one of the trail-waving bands in Filipino rock, Razorback.